Hello viewers, good morning. This is Srikanth from Krishna Pearl, road number 36, Jubilee, Hyderabad. Our shop is located near to metro station and we are having total 4 outlets in Hyderabad. We are 38 years old company. Today I am going to show you a new collection of gold chains with matching earrings. Please have a look at these collections. Okay, I will start showing one by one with the new collection of gold chains. Please have a look at this chain. This is made in 22 karat of gold, which is hallmarked, and this is very light in weight. And these are made with the freshwater pearls. You can see these pearls. These pearls are graduated from smaller to bigger size. And you can see the beauty of this chain. I'll just show you how it looks when you wear it so that you'll get an idea. It can be worn with traditional kind of sarees. And I'll show you about this chain. This is made in 22 karat gold with the red stones, with the CZs, with the green stones, and you can see the workmanship with the back side, how beautifully it is done. It's totally handmade chain, and you can see the workmanship also. At the top they have used very smaller pearls. On the down they have used bigger size pearls, and this is very light in weight, which is very flexible. And the total weight of the chain is 51 grams and the net weight of gold is 17 grams. This is very nice piece, and we got a matching pair of this for this chain. And at the down they given a some small jhumki like this to give more beauty for this pendant. They given the pendant like this. Now I am going to show another new chain. With the green beads, and there are some red stones in between green beads, and you can see the pendant very beautiful with the CZ stones with the red beads at the bottom, and this also made in 22 karat gold. And I will show you clearly how it looks when you wear it so that you will get an idea. It can be worn with traditional kind of sarees. And this is also very light in weight, which is only 91 grams and the net weight is only 11 grams. So you can just assume in 11 grams they have made a very beautiful pendant like this with the CZ stones, with the green beads at the bottom with the red stones, and you can see the workmanship also the back side. And we got a matching earrings for this chain. Please visit our store to see a lot more collections like this. On the top they have used very smaller beads, and at the bottom they have slightly bigger size beads to give more good appearance for this pendant. Now I am going to show another beautiful chain which is made with green stones and pearls. Please have a look of this chain. This is something different with two brooches in between. You can see here, this is also made in 22 karat gold with the green beads with the natural freshwater pearls. And I'll just show you clearly how it looks when you wear it. See the beauty of this chain. It's very light in weight. So this is also made in 22 karat gold, which is hallmarked at the bottom. And you can see the workmanship also, how beautifully it is made. Here they have used different shapes of CZs. One is oval cut and one is round cut and one is princess cut to give more good appearance for this brooch. They have used a very different shape of CZs. And this is also very light in weight, which is very flexible also. And the total weight of the chain is 67 grams. And the net weight of the gold is 14.6 grams. So you can just assume they used very less gold here. And we got a matching pair of earrings for this chain. I'll just show you matching pair of earrings also. See this, the matching pair of earrings. It's a very nice piece. This will exactly match with the chain, and this is also very light in weight, and it's made in 22 karat gold. The total weight of earrings is 17 grams and the net weight of gold is 9 grams. You can see the beauty of these earrings. So they use same kind of brooch for this earring to match with this necklace. This is also made in CZs with the green stones, with the natural freshwater pearls at the bottom. And this is also handmade. You can see the workmanship. It's totally done by hand. Here they are given Bombay screw. So exactly matching pair of earrings for this. Now I am going to show you a new choker which is made in 22 karat gold. It's a new choker with the CZs, with the green beads, with the natural freshwater pearls. You can see this beauty of this chain. And here they used enamel work, pink enamel work with the CZ stones in between. And you can see the florals here at the bottom. This is very nice piece. And at the bottom they have used a bigger size of green beads to give more beauty for this necklace. They use some small pearls here. And you can see the workmanship also, back side. This also made in 22 karat gold, which is hallmarked. You can see the workmanship also. And here they used green beads. In future, if you want, you can even wear along with the pearls. You can remove this green beads, you can add pearls also. See this choker, this very nice piece. I'll just show you how it looks. And for this choker, we got a matching pair of earrings also. I'll just show you the matching pair of earrings. See, this is an exactly matching pair of earrings for this choker. This also made in 22 karat gold with the CZ stone, with the natural pearls, with the green beads at the bottom. And I will show you clearly how it looks. Here also they used pink enamel and with the CZ stones, the green beads at the bottom with the natural freshwater pearls. And you can see the workmanship at the back side also. Here they used Bombay screw. This also made in 22 karat gold, which is hallmarked. So those who are looking for traditional kind of choker, they can go with this. Now I am going to show you another pearl chain with the gold balls. Please have a look of this chain. A very beautiful piece. These are made with natural freshwater pearls, with the gold balls in between, with the green beads in between. This is something different, and you can see the workmanship here. And these are very tiny pearls. It's very hard to drill these pearls. It's totally done by hand. And here they used nylon thread. It's very strong and durable thread. And I'll show you how it looks when you wear it. It's very nice piece. It can be used as western as well as traditional. And it's very flexible also. And for this we got a matching earrings also. Please visit our stores to see a lot more collections like this. So not only this, we do have online shopping also. Our website is www.krishnapearls.com. In our website you can even directly purchase through our website. And if you want to see through video call, this is a number over here, 9248036721. In this you can save this number and we can show through video call also. And we do free shipping all over India. And also you can follow our Instagram page also. It's www.instagram.com/krishna.pearls.hyderabad. In our Instagram page also you can see a lot more collection. And also we have a gold benefit scheme for the customers, which is known as GBS scheme. It's a gold benefit scheme. So actually it's 11+1 scheme. The customer needs to pay only 11 months and company is going to pay 1 month additional bonus. So apart from that, the customer will get additional benefits like this: 30% on pearls, 20% on gemstones, 10% on diamonds, 20% on wastage, and 30% on making charges. Please enroll into this GBS scheme to avail more benefits. And whatever you buy from us, you'll get authenticity certificate like this. This assures guaranteed purity, transparent billing, free lifetime maintenance, assured and exchange buyback. So not only this, we have a pearl collection also, we have diamond collection also, and we have a Pachi collection also. Please visit our store to see a lot more collection like this, and please follow our Instagram page also. And thank you for watching this live video. Next time I'll come up with a new collection. Thank you very much.